guys, today we're going to make some slime. We're going to make foam slime. But we don't have shaving cream. We have baking soda, eye drops, the foam balls, a bowl, a spoon, glue. This glue is really good, guys, by the way. We have this where we can measure the eye drops and the baking soda. And of course our spoon.
Let's start now.
Yeah, I'm with my brother, so he's going to do with me. And it's going to be fun. So the first thing we're going to do is open the glue. Like so. And we can open it here. We're now going to put plenty. That's it. Do you know what we're going to do next? Do you know what we're going to do next?
No.
So the next thing we're going to do is add some of our baking soda. This baking soda is really nice. It's called Foster Clark's, and it's really good. Guys, and by the way, if you want to make this a good slime, you have to make baking soda less. If you're making a small slime, put little baking soda. If you're making a big slime, make a big batch. You know what I mean. So I'm going to add a little bit more glue because this is too little. Can you start mixing it? Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, this is much better, right?
Yeah. Baking soda.
Yeah, I guess we need a little baking soda.
Put more glue and start liquidy.
Okay. We can also put the baking soda. You can put the baking soda place for the end. Not like a full spoon, like half. Yes, that's perfect. And there was blue food coloring with that, so now we need to open the eye drops. And the thing we're gonna need is we're gonna pour it in like so. That's it. You can add more each time. This is we're using eye drops, not saline solution. Very slowly, little by little.
And each time we mix it.
Yes.
Until it becomes too liquidy.
Yeah. If it becomes too liquidy, you have to stop, guys.
No, it's quite hard.
So we have it. We're going to add now the foam balls. It didn't turn out so well, so we're going to do it better. So we add more glue. And this time I'm going to put very little eye drops. Because before we put out it too much.
And you have to mix it up.
No, we don't need any more eye drops because this is going to make it worse because we have already eye drops inside. Can you please mix it for me?
Okay.
And we already added some foam balls because we thought it's good, but it was actually terrible.
And the foam balls makes it worse.
Yeah.
That's good.
Now it's getting out the bowl, so it's getting better. Guys, this is like the best slime we ever made. So, let's see if it pokes. So guys, this is like perfect. My brother's gonna make a little bit more, but this is like the best. I'm gonna add a little bit.
I want to make one right here. I want to make this one crazy slime. This is my slime.
Okay, here's crazy slime. Let's see it.
A little pen, some gunpowder.
Gunpowder.
And that.
Guys, it feels so cool. Look at, if you guys can see, there's a lot of these foam balls inside.
Does this have foam balls? The one I'm using right now.
I guess it does. You can put foam balls. Wow, these look so nice.
You hear it?
I can hear it loud and clear. You're literally putting too much eye drops. So, this is how it looks like. It's so cool. And we did put a bit of baking powder, more extra, but it is really good, guys. And it's foamy. And we didn't add food coloring though. because like adding it food coloring wouldn't be nice because you don't get to see the marbles that well. No, not that much because you know these are also sticky. So I think this is awesome. I'm also gonna make maybe a big slime video. Maybe, I don't know.
A little more.
No. They're even falling from my hands.
My slime. I'm gonna put more.
Okay, now that's his crazy slime, guys. It's so liquidy and he has so much in it.
I need some glue in it.
So there's our slime and it's done.
Touch it, Serena.
Yeah. Hey! Now you made it so...
Yours is much more stickier. Because you have more of this powder.
You don't put for me powder.
You know why mine is bad? Because mine is like I put too much eye drops.
Hey guys, this is so cool.
Yours is even cooler. Now mine's... If you
Yours is breaking.
destroying, la la. Wait, you are...
Are we gonna end the video? Cause like...
Oh, we're gonna make this a nice video.
Oopsie guys, I just didn't get a hold. So it's adding more glue. That's it. You wanna make another slime?
No.
Bigger?
Oh.
Now? You wanna?
No, it's okay, it's okay.
You make it in the next video.
Just make like episodes of these, like all kinds of slime.
Yeah. These?
We're gonna call it slime chat, like slime videos.
Yeah, because I'm gonna put it in my channel. Maybe I put it in Nina and the Random Diamonds.
What about you changing it around the diamonds?
No, I'm allowed the name.
You never even made a video on it.
Yeah, because I didn't have a good editor. So sorry, all the viewers. I didn't have a good editor. And my editor got deleted.
This is the best part, Serena. This is the best part.
Show me.
Slime.
Put it down. Because the camera can see.
This is the best part. Everything else is worse.
Next time, I don't care if it gets sticky next time. Because next time, I would want it to be sticky. I just saw when you were opening it, a big thing fell down from it.
Nothing. Mosquito. Nothing. So the mosquito. This is gonna make it better. Blow, my beauty. Blow, 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 blow. Can see some.
Okay, now. Mine, I'm squeezing out all the eye drops. We have it everywhere, guys. Don't use eye drops. Do not try this out.
It's gonna come in your eyes, eye drops. Easy way to scrub eye drops in your hair.
Hair?
Okay, I'm done.
Wow.